Hi there, Patricia Mel, your Houston multicultural. The square footage, no. It has 84. Non, ça va pas du tout, quoi. Hello there, and welcome to a new episode of our open house series. This is Patricia Mel, your Houston multicultural realtor. It's freezing in Houston. Don't think it's always hot. It's not the case. Hello there, Patricia Mel, your multicultural realtor here. 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, new construction located in Piney Point Village. It has a it's a recent construction. I know. This type of property. It's 8,400 home. It's a recent construction with 5 beds and 4 baths. Ça va pas. That is located in. We've chosen to okay, so 5 bed, 6 bath, plenty of space and game rooms. 6,000 square feet on a 17,000 square feet lot. Your Houston multicultural realtor here is the up and out 3-car 3.1 million 3-car 3.1 updated construction. Its listing price is 2.6 million. Is it 2.6 million or 3.6 million? I don't remember. Okay, I think we're good now. All your Houston multi. So 6,000, 17,000 square feet lot in beautiful Bunker Hill. Tá frio, gente. Houston não é quente, não. Vamos lá pra casa. Done for today.